In this video, we are going to see that if your laptop is stuck in the airplane mode or your Wi-Fi is grayed out and you are not able to access any website, and every time you try to access the website, it says, looks like you're not connected to the internet, ERR, internet disconnected. Here are some of the quick solutions that might work for you. So the method one will be to find the Wi-Fi switch on your laptop, and it can be a little switch like this one. Make sure it is turned to the on position. You will see a Wi-Fi image next to it, so make sure it is toggled on to that position. So just slide it back on to that position where it shows the Wi-Fi. Now the method 2 is also very simple. You just hold the FN key and press the Wi-Fi, or to turn off the airplane mode, you just use the function key and use any of the combination that shows like this for the airplane mode, or like this for the Wi-Fi mode. Use it with the combination of FN key and you should be good to go. Now this should be different for every laptop. Sometimes it's F12, sometimes it's F2. So you have to choose accordingly. Now the method 3 is press the Windows key and R key on your keyboard and right here msconfig, hit enter. And from here we have to choose the normal startup. We'll choose it like this, click apply and OK, and restart your laptop to make it effective. And now the fourth method is also very simple. You just turn off your laptop completely shut it down, remove the battery, remove the charging, and then reinstall it. But it's ideal to wait for 30 seconds and then plug it in everything. And once you restart everything after plugging it off and then plugging it in, even by removing a battery and then plugging it in, you should be able to use your Wi-Fi without any problem. So these are a couple of solutions that might work for you. If you have any further problem than this one, you need to consult your IT guy, or also need to check some drivers if you have any drivers installed properly or not. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.